Hello everyone, welcome to our channel DeCoders. This channel is created by me and my friend for Linux and coding tutorials. I am TypeHrishi and today we are going to learn how to install Cinnamon desktop environment in Ubuntu. The Cinnamon desktop environment is great for Linux newcomers as it is similar to Windows desktop environment. So let's start. Open up a terminal and type sudo apt update. This will check for system updates. Enter your password and hit enter. It shows that all the packages are up to date. Now we have to type sudo apt install cinnamon. Hit enter. Type Y and again hit enter. The installation process has started. Let's pause here and continue when the installation process is completed. The installation process is completed. Now let's log on to the Cinnamon desktop environment. Close the terminal and log out. Here, click on your account and then click on the gear icon at the bottom right. Click on Cinnamon, type your password and hit enter. Now you can see that you have successfully logged on to the Cinnamon desktop environment. Let's configure the things. Go to System Settings, click on Themes and configure the settings you want. I have configured as per my choice. Thank you for watching the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos.